Hello, I'm Craig Thompson, Secretary of the Wisconsin Department of Transportation. We know transportation infrastructure is critical to Wisconsin's economic health and quality of life. As we continue to face challenges caused by the global pandemic and look toward our state's economic recovery, the people of Wisconsin continue to rely on our transportation system to keep vital goods and services moving and to get to where they need to go. 2021 was a dynamic year for the Wisconsin Department of Transportation as we responded to these challenges and worked to improve Wisconsin's transportation infrastructure through innovation and exceptional service. During the 2021 construction season, we had 375 new road and bridge projects across our state to improve safety, mobility, and accessibility for Wisconsinites. That's 734 miles of state highways and 374 bridges improved. Fixing our roads and ensuring everyone has access to safe, reliable transportation is essential to our economic recovery from the pandemic. WisDOT crews worked tirelessly this year to complete projects on time and on budget. This includes the completion of the I-3990 project between Beloit and Madison. The new and improved Gateway to Wisconsin will help attract major employers and provide new opportunities for growth in tourism and business.
Beloit is the gateway to Wisconsin, and it is so exciting to have this massive project here. Beloit has had extraordinary growth, especially over the past couple of years, and this infrastructure project is going to provide the capacity we need to support even more growth in the future.
Our transportation improvement programs go beyond state highways and bridges. In 2021, our local programs administered general transportation aids and program investments of $736 million in transportation funding for Wisconsin municipalities. Local program funding has increased 25.3% from 5 years ago. This helps Wisconsin villages, towns, cities, and counties cover the costs of constructing, maintaining, and operating roads and streets under local jurisdiction.
It really helps us with tourism, with industry, with some of those other agriculture. I mean, it's super important that we have the right kind of conditions for those roads for agriculture. So it really helped us all around this region.
Strengthening our commercial harbors is important to creating jobs and growing our economy. In 2021, our Harbor Assistance Program awarded $7.5 million to support 10 projects across our state. Investment in Port Milwaukee will help build a new agricultural shipping facility to allow Wisconsin farmers to ship grains to markets around the world. The investment strengthens Wisconsin's biggest city and farms throughout the state. Investment in the Port of Manitowoc led to some big things this year. A massive 154-foot tall, 2.7 million pound crane was built and shipped from Manitowoc to the East Coast, where it is used to rebuild U.S. Navy submarines. These improvements have paved the way for more cranes to be built in Manitowoc. Additional cranes are already being built.
This is just the first chapter, and many, many chapters to come for successes of product that we plan on building on this land to be able to deliver all over the country and the world.
Passenger rail investments are improving mobility options for Wisconsinites. We moved the joint Wisconsin and Minnesota Twin Cities Milwaukee-Chicago Passenger Rail Project, known as the TCMC, forward this year, bringing rail passengers one step closer to seeing an additional round trip between the Twin Cities, La Crosse, Milwaukee, and Chicago along an existing Amtrak route. We facilitated the purchase of next-generation train equipment for the Amtrak Hiawatha service. The move will help keep equipment costs down while improving accessibility, operational efficiency, reliability, and the customer experience. Our commitment to innovation makes us a leader in transportation. Innovation allows our agency to be more responsive to change, whether it be taking a new idea and turning it into a process or policy, or simply improving upon solutions that already exist. During the pandemic, traffic to our Wisconsin DMV web pages increased significantly as customers relied on our online services to complete their tasks. Wisconsin DMV continues to enhance these services to meet customer demand and help Wisconsinites save time by skipping the trip to the DMV and accomplishing tasks more efficiently online. More DMV customers are using our eNotify service for renewal reminders and account activity alerts. eNotify eliminates the need for paper renewals in the mail and makes it more convenient for customers to get renewal reminders through text or email. It increases customer security by providing electronic alerts anytime a DMV record is changed. In 2021, the number of eNotify enrollees increased by more than 200%. DMV's most used form, the MV1, won 6 industry awards this year for helping customers easily and efficiently title and register their vehicles online. DMV added another innovative online tool in 2021 to increase efficiency for businesses that have vehicle fleets. EMV Fleet allows companies to manage registrations for their entire fleet through a customizable dashboard. It saves company staff time because they no longer have to manually enter information for each vehicle. Our new and improved oversized overweight truck permitting system is helping save time and money for both the trucking industry and WSDOT. We issue an average of 70,000 oversized overweight permits a year. Through our new online system, about 70% of those permits are now self-issued, making the permitting process easier for industry and making the process much more efficient. Safe and efficient winter maintenance continues to be a focus of our agency. By working with Wisconsin's 72 county highway departments on innovative salt management practices and liquid road de-icing strategies, we were able to save 76 million pounds of salt last winter. That's a savings of more than $3.2 million. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, play an important role in providing Wisconsin residents and businesses tools to help them plan, make better decisions, and solve problems. This year, we made several GIS tools publicly available, giving Wisconsinites unprecedented access to GIS data and interactive transportation maps. Moving transportation forward in Wisconsin means bringing partners to the table to build relationships and solve problems. Our long-valued partnership with Wisconsin's 11 federally recognized tribes led to an innovative program on tribal lands this year. We installed the state's first dual-language road signs signifying tribal boundaries. The signs feature the tribal seal, the tribe's name in English and its native language, and the population on tribal lands. We are encouraging each tribal community in Wisconsin to apply for dual-language signs on their lands. With dangerous driving behaviors on the rise, WSDOT is taking action to encourage safe driving through our new Buckle Up, Phone Down campaign. We're asking Wisconsinites to pledge to buckle up and put the phone down, every trip, every time. The campaign is gaining support from organizations, businesses, and individuals across the state. These partners are committed to reducing deaths and injuries on Wisconsin roadways.
We often get comfortable thinking that we can multitask by texting or making phone calls and talking to people, but in reality, that takes away precious moments on the street.
In 2021, the Wisconsin Non-Driver Advisory Committee continued its work to address transportation mobility, safety, and accessibility issues for our state's non-driving populations. The group is working to reduce transportation barriers for Wisconsin's 1.2 million non-drivers.
Coming up with innovative and creative solutions, and the amount of common ground that was shared among the participants was really invigorating and gives us lots to work with going forward.
The future of connected and automated vehicle technology is already here. Our Wisconsin Automated Vehicle External Advisory Committee continued working this year with stakeholders to ensure residents, businesses, and government agencies are positioned to take advantage of the benefits of connected and automated vehicle technology. This year, we focused on infrastructure and budget issues for municipalities and tribal governments, as well as transportation equity and accessibility impacts for all residents. The Transportation Projects Commission, or TPC, met in December and unanimously approved a La Crosse County highway study, an important first step toward improving very important local and regional north-south highway routes in that area. Meeting for the third consecutive year, the TPC is a bipartisan, public-private commission that is critical to advancing transportation investments in Wisconsin. As you can see, in 2021, WSDOT made great strides in our mission to provide the people of Wisconsin with the safe, efficient, multimodal transportation system they deserve. Thanks to those efforts, we've stopped the decline in the condition of Wisconsin's infrastructure and are well positioned to make even greater progress in the years to come. And that's important because improving transportation means improving the quality of life in our communities. Thanks for watching.